lights up drummers on the street tonight. From Canada to Mexico, the whole world's inside. USA in the air, Brazil on the run. Argentina got the fire, France brought the sun. England in the noise, Germany on the dash, Spain with the slick feet, Portugal in a flash, Netherlands, Italy, Belgium in the glow, Morocco got the heartbeat, Croatia in the flow, Japan so clean, South Korea so fast, Nigeria and Senegal make the night collapse. Every shirt, every crest, every dream on drive, every nation stepping in like we came alive. Come on, hear the stadium go crazy day. Kick, drum, bass, drop, making the whole world hazy. Every team, every screen, every kid in the street, one ball, one chance, one giant heartbeat. Come on, let the thunder be loud. From the first whistle blast to the last man down. Cold on the pitch, but the whole world shines. World Cup 2026, we're electric tonight. Australia on the move, Qatar in the lights, Saudi, Iran and Uruguay ready to fight. Colombia, Chile and Peru in the wave, Ecuador and Paraguay never came to behave. Denmark, Switzerland, Serbia and Greece, Cameroon and Ghana bring that velvet release. Algeria, Tunisia, Mali in the heat, Costa Rica, Panama making rhythm with their feet. Every coach on the edge, every crowd in the frame, every player got a prayer and a fire in the name. Messi in the memory, Ronaldo in the roar, but the next big legend's knocking at the door. Hell, take flags up, nobody stands still. Crazy on the speakers, let the whole place feel. From the north to the south, from the coast to the sky, we don't just watch it, we feel it rise. One world, one cup, let the whole thing spin. When the anthem hits, everybody goes in.